The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless entry, center armrest, power windows, fog lamps, MP3 capability, power door locks, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.